Greetings once again, grade 12s. Today we are talking about the work. We will be dealing with work, energy and power, but for today we are on the work topic. What is work? The work is a transfer of energy from one object to another object. Let's say I'm pushing you. When I'm pushing you, I've got an energy to push you. Uma ngine energy yokupusha, then I can push you. When I apply force to you, your movement must be on the direction of the force applied by me, because the energy mean. So I'm transferring the energy, kinetic energy, because it's a moving energy. I'm transferring the energy that I have. Ngithathe energy, maybe ngidlile ngaba namandla ngaphakathi, ngaba ne-energy inside my body. Now, because I've got that energy, now I can use that energy to transfer it to you when I'm pushing you. And when I'm pushing you, for the work to be present, there must be a displacement. What is the displacement? It's whereby you move from one place to another. If I'm pushing you and you don't move, so which means there is only a force. If there is only a force and there is no displacement, which means you didn't move when I'm pushing you, then there is no work. For the work to be done, we need force and the displacement. The direction of the displacement must be the direction of the force. So even if I'm pushing you with my greater force, but there is no displacement, or there is displacement but the displacement is horizontal, while my force maybe is upward, is vertically upward, then there is no work. For the work to be done, we need the force and the displacement, which means the object that is being pushed or pulled must move from one place to another in the direction of that force. If it's not in the direction of that force, then there is no work done. This ball is going this direction. As you can see, the arrow here, it is representing the direction of this ball. This ball is from point A to point B. As you can see, at point B there is a block here. This block, it's not moving, it's just stationary. The ball is moving towards the box. After that, we will see what is the final results after this ball hit the box at point B. The box will move from point B to point C together with what? With the ball. So which means ibhola lifike la pusha here at point B, ibhola lifike la pusha box, la move box from point B to C, which is this one, from point B to point C, which means there is work done here. For work to be done, there must be force and the change in displacement. So what is the change in displacement? Ukusuka kwento from one place to another. So which means ibhokisi lisukile from point B to point C, which means there is work done here in this scenario. Let's look at this illustration. The displacement is denoted with the black arrow. You can see the black arrow is for the displacement. The force is denoted with the red arrow. The red arrow is for the force applied by the ball from here. You figure apply what? Ball apply the red arrow, which is the force applied to the box by the ball. The direction of the displacement is the same as the direction of the force, which is the red here. What does that mean? It means that there was the work done. So there is work here in this scenario. Okay, let's say now a ball is moving from point A, the same scenario, but now we do it in calculation. Right, a ball is moving from point A, which is this point A, with a force of 70 Newton. If force esetshenzisiwe is 70 newtons from point A to point B, 70 newtons isebenziswe ibhola to push this box from point B. It hits block at point B. Lel bhola lizohita in this block at point B, causing the block to move to point C. It causes the block to move from this point B to point C. About 3 meters in the direction of the ball. So about what? 3 meters. So which means it pushes a ball about 3 meters from here to here, and then it forces the block to move 3 meters from point B to point C. Always when the direction of force and the displacement are parallel to each other, so you see the force is parallel to the displacement. The formula is the same as just W is equals to force times D. If you parallel, noma ungamfakanga cos lo, but sizomfaka for your benefit. Njalo ma force is parallel to the displacement. So which means if force vele displacement iya vele la kuya khona force. Ngamanye amazwi uthe uma upusha leyo object yaya with direction ya leyo force yakho, then it means you can even say work is equals to force times displacement. Displacement umuva kwaleyo nto leyo, move from one place to another, lento apply kuyo force. So but for your benefit we'll just say work is equals to force times displacement times cos theta. Le formula ya work, always more calculate work, you have to use this formula. W is equals to force times displacement times cos theta. La theta ulindele in ukuthi uzofaka i-angle ekhona between force ne displacement. In this case there is no angle between force ne displacement. You will see when we move on sesithola ukuthi ikuphi lapho othola khona ukuthi kune angle between force ne displacement. But for this one the angle will be 0 because there is no angle between force and displacement. They are just parallel to each other. Work is equals to, what is force? Force is 70 Newton as we are given here, is 70 Newton. And then what is displacement? If block ihambe for 3 meters from point B to C, mayishayiswa yini ile ball. So our displacement will be 3 meters times cos. What is the angle between force and displacement? The angle is 0. So instead of theta we faka 0. Work is equals to 210 multi 70 times 3 angithi kwenza in, it's 210. And then what is cos of 0? You can punch your calculator. When you punch in your calculator cos of 0, then the answer is about 1. So 210 times 1, which means your work done, the work done here when this ball hits this block at point B for 3 meters to point C, which means the work done there was 210 joules, because the work is measured in joules. So what does that mean? It means that there was work done here in this scenario. Okay, here we are going to start here in this scenario, then we'll move here, and then we will eventually end up here. If you increase the angle from 0 to 90 degrees, the force applied is parallel to the displacement. As you can see here, there is no angle between the force and the displacement like here. But if there is an angle between the displacement and and the force applied, kuyashintsha izodecrease ilokhuza kancane kancane. Work done it will decrease. But here the work done is just 210. So which means here, if you increase the angle from 0, if the angle between the force and the displacement is 0, then the force done is complete, is 100% done. The work here, the work done is 100% because there is no angle between the displacement and the force. Work is equals to force times displacement cos theta. It is just the same calculation that we did here. We won't waste any time here. We will just move to here. But here, just because there is an angle now between the displacement and force applied to something that is being applied, forced on. In this scenario, we've got cos of 45 degrees, which is, when you calculate on your calculator, you will find 0.71 the answer when you punch cos of 45. This is the same force applied, which is 70 Newton, and the same meters traveled, which is 3 meters. Now let's see if we change here. The angle was 0, right? We change the angle now for the same force and the same displacement. But when we change the angle, if you increase the angle from zero upwards until 90 degrees, you decrease the work done. If you increase this the angle between the displacement and force until 90 degrees, then the work will be 0. But we are going to be looking at how it increases. Let's look at when the angle is 45 degrees, then the work will be force times displacement times cos theta, and then we substitute the force is also 70 Newton. The displacement is also 3 meters times cos of 45 degrees now, not cos of 0. Then if the cos is 45 degrees, the angle, then the work will be 70 times 3 is 210 times those 0.71. Our work will be 149.1 joule. You can see that now that the work is decreasing as we increase the angle between the force and the displacement. When the angle was 0, the work done was 210 joule. Now the work is 149, which is less than. It is decreasing the work. When you increase what? The angle. When you increase angle, you decrease the work done. The work is still done even now, but it is decreasing. It's not increasing, it is decreasing because you are increasing the angle between force and displacement. Just look at this man. This man is pulling his suitcase. His direction, you can see that he's going this direction. This arrow shows the direction of the man. This is the displacement, just 3 meters from here to here. This is the displacement of the man, but the force is not going exactly the direction of the displacement. So there is an angle between the displacement where it's going and the force applied to pull the suitcase. The suitcase is pulled this direction, but the displacement is this direction. So which means if the briefcase was just pushed this direction and there was no angle, then you would be increasing the work, but the work is decreasing because the force of 70 Newton is pulled in this direction now. But once it's pulled 90 degrees upward, there will be no work. We're looking at that scenario as we go on. How kuba 0 if the force goes up until it is 90 degrees. But for here, there is still work done, but decreasing, just because there is an angle between the displacement and the force applied. Right, I think it is clear here. When the angle between the displacement and the force applied is 90 degrees, when you punch your calculator cos of 90, you can punch your calculator, the scientific calculator, punch cos of 90, you will get 0. And then just because the angle here gives us 0, just because the cos of 90 is 0, even if the force can be greater and the displacement can be greater, but still just because cos of 90 is 0, then you'll say 210 times 0, then there is no work done here. The work is 0. No work is done at 90 degrees. Remember that man that was pulling his suitcase here, he's not only exerting a force on a briefcase, but this man is also exerting some force on his back. What is the force that is applied by the man in this back here? Okay, the man is applying an upward force on the back, and then the force of gravity is applying the downward force to the back. So if back bekumele iwele back le iwele phansi due to the force of gravity, but the man, because he carries the back, then the man is supporting the force of gravity. The force applied by man is upwards. This is the force applied by the man is upward, which is 90 degrees. And then his displacement is perpendicular to the force applied by the man. So even if lendoda iya move in this direction, indoda iya move ne back, but he's doing no work on the back because the force applied is 90 degrees. So ufana nathi la emhlabeni, ngomhlaba uyamuva nathi, but the earth is doing no work on us, because even though the earth is moving, the force applied by the earth kithi iforce nje yokusibalance ukuthi singayi kwi center of earth, ibalance nje kuphela iforce iforce ye surface ye earth ukuthi singayi phansi le kwi center of earth, but the movement of earth yenza ukuthi kungabi ne work yenzayo kithi. As long as the force applied to an object is perpendicular to the displacement, the direction of the displacement, then there is 0 work done there. But here, just because the force is not 90 degrees to to the suitcase, the force is just 45 degrees. The work is done, but it is decreasing because the force is not parallel to the displacement. I think it is clear. Look at this man, Chinese, is just holding the weight upward. He's just holding the weight. And what he's doing is just balancing the force of gravity. The force of gravity not pulling the weight down. This weight, we balance it because the force of gravity wants to pull the weight downwards. But this Chinese is just holding the weight upwards. He's just balancing it with ingai pants. So, which means the weight is just at rest. The weight, as long as the weight, the force applied by this man, as long as the force applied by him is not moving the weight in the direction of that force, the weight is just staying there. It is stationary there. It's like that weight is put on top of the table, and the table is just balancing the weight with a force of gravity downwards. Then there's no work done there in that scenario. So if the weight is just on the table, if something is just on the table, you cannot say that there is work done there. Even if the table may feel but there's no work done. Even there, the science, the physics is so cruel to this Chinese, because the physics will say you have done no work because you are just holding it. But that Chinese will sweat very, very, very much, because Yena is applying a greater force with a balance too much, and he will be frustrated in his face because he is exerting a lot of force on the weight. But because the weight is not moving upward in the direction of the force applied by the Chinese, then there is no work. That is what we call a cos of 90 degrees. That is what we call when the force is perpendicular to the displacement. Another good example of 90 degrees, which is zero work. Some of you know John Cena from wrestling. There's John Cena and Brian. Brian is the one who used to say, yes, yes, yes. My palms is under it. Yes, yes. Okay. John Cena, he holds 20 kilogram weight for 3 hours, right? And then, but Brian holds 20 kilogram weight also, but now for 30 minutes, all right? So, John Cena, uyibambile, uyiphamsile insimbi, wayiphamisa zama khona lapho emoyeni, wayibalansa kuphela for 3 hours uJohn Cena. But uBrian, uphamse iweight efanayo yeinsimbi, but for 30 minutes. So which means uspende isikhathi esincane ephamse insimbi. Then the question arises, ubani owenze umsebenzi la? Ngabe khona umsebenzi owenziwe between uJohn Cena noBrian? Ingabe mngakanani umsebenzi owenziwe uJohn Cena, mngakanani owenziwe uBrian? Ngokwethu singathi thina uJohn Cena owenze umsebenzi mhlambe omkhulu, yabona ngokwethu. Singathi uJohn Cena wenze umsebenzi omkhulu ngoba wenze for what? For 3 hours. But Brian hold the insimbi just for 30 minutes. But the physics will be so cruel. If physics is othini, ungakanani umsebenzi owenziwe yibo bobabili. Both they did no work. Why? It's because lento abeyiholdile beyingayi to the direction of the force they are applying. Their force is going up. It's an upward force they are exerting, but the problem, they are just balancing the force of gravity, which is going downwards. The force of gravity is going downwards. This is the gravitational force, but this one is just the force applied, right? Force applied is going upward. By apply force here upward, but the force of gravity is applying the downward force, and they balance each other. It causes ile weight abayiphakamisile ingayindawo ime kuphela nje imile. So as long as the weight imile kuphela ingayi to the direction of a force, it means that there is no work done. So physics iba cruel khona lapho, iba nenhliziyo embi physics. Ethi Johnsina sengijuluke kangaka ngibhalansi insimbi phezulu, physics ithi angenzanga lutho, vele akenzanga lutho. Even no Brian noma ngabe uyibambene isikhashana wayiholder, but naye akenzanga work, right? Okay, if the cos is 180 degrees, it is equals to -1. So the value ozoyithola lapho ke will be negative value. So it's like this, the object here is moving with the force of 70 newtons. This black arrow is for the force, and then the frictional force ilwa nani ne force that is going that direction. The frictional force ithi mina ngiza ne force ka 10 newton on the opposite direction. This is the scenario. Let's say the force of 70 newton, this ball is moving with the force of 70 newton from point A to point B with the displacement of 3 meters. So from point A and point B to point B, it's 3 meters, right? So this ball is moving at the force of 70 newton from point A to point B. There's no frictional force from here, from point A to point B. If there's no frictional force from point A to point B, if it's 70 newton from here, from point A to point B, for 3 meters, then it is here, it is this scenario. Then it means there is no angle between the force and the displacement. They are parallel to each other. Then we just say work is equals to force here to 70 newton times 3 meters, which is the displacement, times cos of 0, because there is 0 angle between force and displacement. Then W will be equals to 210. What is cos of 0? Punch on your calculator, you get 1. Then the work done will be 210 joules. Then the work here is done. Right? Okay. And then let's move to the scenario whereby whereby now there is the frictional force, given a frictional force of 10 newton at 4 meters now. Okay. Ngoba behamba kamnandi lelibhola leli for 3 meters kungena frictional force. Now there is a frictional force of 10 newton must figure to 4 meters. Let's look at the scenario again. Right. Here, behamba kamnandi kungena frictional force until point B. And then, when the ball reaches point C now, the ball is at point C, at 4 meters. If you look 3 meters, I figure 4 meters. My figure 4 meters, but qala is surface, yaba nama frictional force, which means kunama bumpy man. Se qala kunama bumpy. La benganama bumpy from point A to point B until point C akunama bumpy. Se qala ma bumpy manje, which is the frictional force, and the frictional force will cause the ball to change its speed. Speed is a ball sizoshintsha ngoba if frictional force ilwa ne motion yale force of 70 newton. If frictional force yona iza nobani no 10 newtons, which is in the opposite direction of the force that is applied here. At 4 meters now, there is a frictional force now, frictional force of 10 newtons in the opposite direction of the ball. So izolwa ne motion ye ball. Let's look at the calculation here. The work will be equals to 10 newton in this case times 4 meters now, because this frictional force started at 4 meters. When it's 4 meters, then this frictional force started of 10 newton. It started at 4 meters. It's times 4 times cos of 180. What is cos of 180? You can punch your calculator. Cos of 180 is -1. So, which means when you punch on your calculator, 10 times 4 is 40. Times cos of 180 is over -40 joules, which is the work done here, will be negative. The work here is done by what? It's not done by this force, but is done by the frictional force to the moving object, to this moving ball. So sizothola ke what? A negative force. The work done here is negative. The network umsebenzi ogcina wenzekile at all is equals to the force applied, which is 70 newtons ekuqaleni, plus the frictional force, which is 10 newtons. The network will be the 70 plus inside the brackets we will say this negative 40 joules plus times negative phuma negative, then 70 minus 40 kuzophuma 30 joule. That is the network done in this scenario. All right, we will end up here for the sake of time. We'll come back with energy and power. So that's all for the work. Thank you.